All right, I've been seeing a ton of these comments. Does it work for baseball bats too? Does it work for tennis rackets, pickleball paddles, your shoes for basketball? Yes, it does. It absolutely works for that. This Gecko is your sport cleaner. We created Gecko for all the sports. We started with golf. I'm a golfer. I love playing golf. I also race motocross professionally, and I use that on the seats for starts. But our main plan was to have a dedicated sport cleaner for all athletes in all these sports. So if you have like a lizard skin wrap on your baseball bat, it will make it tacky again. If it's less tacky grip, it'll clean and restore it and make it feel like new. So some grips are less tacky than others. So depending on what you use, I know in tennis especially, the over wraps are way less tacky than say a baseball bat or a golf grip, because you're not swinging at 120 miles an hour or something. So if you're going to spray Gecko on a tennis over wrap, it's not going to make the grip tackier, but it will restore it to what it is you wanted. When we were testing Gecko on footballs, the composite football was extremely tacky when you were done using it, because it's a tackier surface compared to say a leather football. You use it on a leather football, it'll still feel good and refreshed and new, but it's not going to be as tacky as say a composite or a golf grip. When you spray the bottom of your shoes for basketball, it makes it extremely tacky, tons of traction on the court. So to answer this question, I'm not sure, Andrew, what wrap you have on your baseball bat, but we've had a lot of pro baseball players using it. If you want to follow Xylo Bats, he did a lot of testing on the wraps. Lizard skin wraps make them extra tacky. The gloves, depending on what glove you use, football gloves, that little tacky material on there, a few sprays, 3 sprays of Gecko on your gloves, wipe it dry, in 10 seconds you have a clean and restored tackified glove again. So Andrew, if you're gonna try it, I would absolutely love to know your feedback on that. So seriously, let me know.